In this video I'm showing how to remove the battery from a 2012 Ford Focus. It's pretty cramped where the battery is located on this car, so you don't have a lot of space to work with. If you look around, you'll see a lot of methods out there that suggest removing this whole air box. That's kind of a lot of hassle just to replace a car battery. Luckily there is an easier way, and I'll show how to do that now. To begin, pop the hood using the lever on the driver's side, flip the yellow release latch, and then open up the hood. The battery is located under the plastics here. Go ahead and remove both of these covers. There's no screws or anything, they just snap into place. First we have to remove the nuts for the hold down bracket. I backed out both of those using a socket wrench and then sat the bracket aside. It's typically considered safer to disconnect the negative terminal first. A socket wrench works well here to loosen the nut just enough so that you can disconnect the terminal. I just had to replace this battery really recently, so mine come off pretty easily, but you might have to fight with it for a bit if yours has been on there for a minute. I tucked the negative terminal off to the side, and then I used a pair of pliers to loosen the nut on the positive terminal. With the positive terminal disconnected, we can now remove the battery, and this part is where the magic happens. The battery is contained in this plastic box. The front panel of the battery box slides up and down, so what you can do here is pull up on the front panel of the battery box and then push out on the side panels, and that will give you just a smidge more room so that you can go ahead and remove the battery. It's still hard and it still kind of sucks, but you're driving a Ford Focus, so you're used to things not working out. Then for reinstalling the battery, it's just the same steps in reverse. You should have the front of the battery box still disconnected so you have that extra room to work with, and then you can slide the battery back into place. And just snap the front panel of the battery box back together when it's in. Reconnect the positive terminal first. Remember to put the hold down bracket back into place and tighten the nuts down so it stays there. And lastly, reconnect the negative terminal. I find these plastic covers are always a little bit fiddly to get back into place, but eventually they snap back together and then you're done. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope this was helpful if you're also fighting to get a car battery out of a piece of junk Ford Focus. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.